Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we will discuss about how to add the scrolling text box and the select list in HTML program. So first of all, we will discuss about the scrolling text box. So here the scrolling text box are configured using the text area element. So in this program, you can see I have configured these text area by using this text area element. So these text area elements are used to configure these scrolling text boxes. So this is a form control that are used to add free form comments, questions or the descriptions. So this text contained between the tags will display in the scrolling text box area. So here you can see that I have configured this text area opening tag and this one is the closing tags. So between this I have added the different attributes. So here these attributes are the same that we have discussed in earlier class, and you can see there are two attributes that are the column attribute and the row attribute that are new to this text area element. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run and click here launch in Chrome. So you can see here it displays this heading, and after that it is displaying this name field and this feedback field. So this feedback field you can add anything here, like if you will add this, so you can add a long description here. So now you can see that like it's increasing and it's here it's showing as the scrolling text. If you want to read this from top, you can scroll from here. So to discuss about this column and row attribute, let's change the value of this. Like here I'm changing its value as 10, and now here I'm saving it and now refresh it. So you can see that the width of this particular feedback form is reduced. So coming to the same, like here if you will write here 40 and save it and refresh it. Again, if you will change the value of this row attribute to 1, 4 to 1, now save it and refresh it. So you can see the change in the length of this particular field. So these two column and row attributes decide the width and height of this particular text area or the scrolling text box. So this is how we can add the text box, scrolling text box in the HTML program. So if you will write here your name, like, and you are writing you are adding the feedback, and now you click over to the submit. So as you will click over to the submit, it will show you this web page, that is we receive your feedback, thank you and visit again. So here we have add this particular page by using this action attribute. So this is all about how to add this scrolling text box in HTML. Next to it we are going to discuss about the next, that is the select list. For that I have made this program. So this is about the how to add the select list. So this select list are also known as select box, drop down list, drop down boxes, or these are the another name of this select list. So this select list is also a form control. So the list is configured with one select element and multiple option element. So from here you can see that here I have configured this one select element and these are the multiple option elements with it. So here this select element contains and configure the select list form control. So here you can see that I have added the attribute like size, name and the ID attribute, and after that coming to the option part, I have used this to giving the value to this select list. Like here I am using this value attribute and here I am describing the text description here. So this is the select list 1 and this one is the select list 2, and here I have used this option element that will contain and configure an option item displayed in the select list form control. So we can use the various attribute with these two select elements by like size, name, ID and various other attributes that we have discussed in earlier classes. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to Run and click here Launch in Chrome. So it will display like this in the browser. So if you want to select your favorite fruit from here, you can select from here. Like if you want to select apple, it will display the apple here. Again, if you will select here the orange, it will display the orange. Coming to the favorite vegetable part, if you will select spinach, it will select the spinach. If you will select lady finger, it will select this lady finger here. And coming to this attribute, that is size attribute, if I will increase the value of this, like here I'm adding 4, and now save it and refresh this. So you can see that here it's changed this particular select list by adding this scroll bar with it. So by using this we can select the values that are not visible from here. So these are used to change the length or width of this particular select list. So this is about how to add the select list, and the another one is the scrolling text box in the HTML program. Thank you.